Okay, this is water gun plus ferret. You're not water gunning the ferrets very well.
I'm shooting the ferrets with a water gun and just videotaping.
There you go. Good Haku. There you go.
It isn't a very thick water gun.
Hello, Kitty. You look a little wet.
Kitchen. No, kitchen. I don't think the cat sticks around for very long.